Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well today. Today I have a super exciting video for you guys because I have finally subscribed to GLOSSYBOX. So I'm so excited to be filming this video for you guys. It is my first GLOSSYBOX subscription box I have received. I've been debating for months now to actually subscribe to GLOSSYBOX, but I finally took the plunge and subscribed. So I'm super duper excited to show you what I got in my first subscription box. I know it's a bit late on in the month to actually do a GLOSSYBOX subscription unboxing, because this is obviously for the January box. But I just thought I'd hop on here and, you know, you guys can share the experience of me opening my first GLOSSYBOX. So if you don't know about GLOSSYBOX, GLOSSYBOX is a monthly subscription box that you receive in the post, delivered to your door. You can subscribe for a 12-month plan or a 1-month rolling plan. So it's a little bit cheaper if you do subscribe to the 12-month only plan, or you can just do the monthly rolling plan, which is a little bit more. So I chose to do the month only rolling plan just because I haven't tried out GLOSSYBOX before. I've seen loads of reviews, but that was my choice of subscription. But I don't think I will be disappointed, guys. So you know me already, I don't like rambling on in my intros. So if you want to see my first GLOSSYBOX unboxing, then just keep on watching. If you aren't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you always be notified every time I upload videos. And let's get into this unboxing, guys. So when you receive your GLOSSYBOX, which I was super duper happy about, is that you receive it in this GLOSSYBOX sort of outer packaging, and it has GLOSSYBOX all the way around, and then obviously it will have your address here in the front, but I've just obviously scribbled it out. Once you open your box, you will have your glossy pink GLOSSYBOX. So also inside that outer sort of packaging, you do get some leaflets here. So I think this is, I don't know what these are for, but they're just for some sort of promotional things, like if you want to try like online stores, I think, things like that. And I know what this is, and that is because I do know what's actually inside this month's GLOSSYBOX, because I did watch quite a few reviews for this month's subscription box, just because I just wanted to get a last feel for the brand. And yeah, it sort of sold me this month. So all of the products in this GLOSSYBOX are actually supposed to be worth at least £50. So I'm super excited to get inside. I do love this beautiful pink box, although I have got some of my greasy fingers on it. I just moisturize my hands before opening this box. But yeah, I love, you know, pink is my favorite color, obviously. So this box is definitely up my street. Oh, it comes lovely and wrapped up. So obviously the box comes just like that, nicely packaged. On the front here, the first thing you get in the box is this lovely sort of pamphlet, which obviously has the GLOSSYBOX on the front here. So this month they are talking about the power of beauty, and I can see on the inside they have all of the information about the products that are actually in this month's box. So I think on the back they also have some spoilers, so I'm not gonna look at it, because my idea is that I want every month to sort of be a surprise, because I love beauty products, I love makeup, so I want it to be sort of a surprise every single month. So it comes with this lovely tissue paper with the GLOSSYBOX sticker here. So I'm just going to open that for you guys. The first product I got in this box is this Mud Masky eye mask. So this is supposed to help with dry skin, puffy eyes, wrinkles and things like that. So I'm assuming you just leave it on for a few minutes, and it's supposed to help sort of reduce those symptoms underneath your eyes. I can't actually find this product on my card for some odd reason, but obviously I did get this in my box. There's supposedly 6 products in this box. I'm assuming you get 6 products every single month. Guys, I am new to this, so bear with me. Comment down below if you do subscribe, if you are subscribed to GLOSSYBOX, and that is how it works. But yeah, so this is product number 1. Hopefully the next product will be on this card. Next product we have is this e-cooking facial serum. So this facial serum is supposed to be moisturizing. It says especially obviously for this time of year where, you know, the weather's really cold and drying, even though we're still indoors. But I mean, central heating, indoor heatings can be really drying as well anyways. So I think moisturizing serum is really, really good. I love moisturizing, guys. I used to be, well, I do have oily skin. It's not so oily now, but I used to stay away from moisturizing because I just thought my skin is so excessively oily. So I just didn't like to moisturize because I just thought it's going to add more oil to my skin. But over the years, I've come accustomed to just overly moisturizing, and it definitely has helped with balancing my oils that I produce throughout the day. So I love a good serum. So that's the second thing. Now that product is actually on my card here, so that's a good one. So the next product I got here is this product from Beauty Pro. So it is their avocado infused sheet mask. So this is their anti-aging formula. So it's supposed to obviously moisturize your skin, and it has anti-aging properties in it. It says it has 100% organic ingredients in it. So I'm intrigued to try this out. I've just started to get into sheet mask, and lately my skin has been really, really dry. I mean, I'm just getting over a horrible cold. So this week I've really been going in hard, well, for the past 2 days, with some sheet mask, because I feel like my skin has just been so dry. So I'm really looking forward to trying this sheet mask, and I love anything anti-aging. The next product we have here is from Eco London. I hope I'm saying that right. Eco London, and it is their fast liquid eyeliner, and I got mine in the shade black. So I think this is just your basic sort of felt tip eyeliner, which I'm not always the biggest fan of. I love a normal liquid just like a brush on eyeliner, but I will definitely try this out. I am running low on my eyeliner at the moment, so I will try this out. Again, this product is not on my beauty card. I don't know if it's because obviously I've ordered this quite far on into the month. I did order it last Sunday, so I don't know if it's because they are sort of running out of exactly what's on this card or what's happening, but I'm not too upset about this. I love a good eyeliner. So the next product I got here is these daily reusable rounds, and they are from the brand Daily Concepts. So let's open this up and have a look. So obviously I have seen these already, people unbox these. I've seen that there's a lot of fluff, which you can see, or mine doesn't have a lot actually. So you can, oh my god, these are super soft, guys. You can reuse these for your makeup. I think I will actually try and take off my makeup with these tonight. Oh, these are super duper soft. So they said they're supposed to replace like cotton wool pads, you know, facial makeup remover wipes, and now I'm just dropping mine everywhere. So yeah, you're supposed to be able to reuse them. I think you can just wash them out with like a gentle soap and stuff. I know they're probably supposed to be a bit more eco friendly, planet friendly. So I definitely will try these out. I love the fact that you get 2 in 1 pack and not just 1. So I'm really looking forward to trying those out. These are actually on my card here, so that is another plus. Let me know in the comments down below if this is a usual thing that you sometimes get things that are not actually on your card. I can see here I'm supposed to have this rose gold thing. Sorry, my camera is taking so long to focus today, but obviously I haven't got that. Yeah, last thing I got was this hand sanitizer gel, which is on the card and it is from FB Med. So it's just a general hand sanitizer. It's enriched with aloe vera and vitamin E, so I'm assuming that this is going to be quite moisturizing, not so drying. It's got 75% ethanol, if I'm pronouncing that right. I don't really have a clue what ethanol is, if I'm if I'm completely honest. But I'm assuming that has something to do with the alcohol percentage. So let's try a little bit of this out actually. Stop it inside. So that's really hygienic. So let's try. Whoa, that came out really fast. Okay, it literally just smells like alcohol actually. Can never be too sanitized, can you? It doesn't feel as drying as like usual hand sanitizer actually. No, it doesn't. Yeah, so that is 6 products. Let's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, so we've got 6 products here in our box this month. You do get this lovely sort of tissue paper here, which I think I'm going to keep in the box. And my plan is to maybe, I'm a bit of a hoarder sometimes, but is to keep every month. Is that bad, guys? Let me know if you keep your glossy boxes. But I think I will keep this glossy box. I just love the fact that it's pink, it's pretty. Yeah. So that comes to the end of this GLOSSYBOX monthly subscription box, my first GLOSSYBOX unboxing. Like I said, I'm super excited still to receive another box, because it's not going to be long before I get February's box. Like I said, the plan is for me not to know what's in the next box coming. If you're into that and you don't like the spoilers, you are safe here on this channel, because I will not be reading. I mean, sometimes the eyes might glimpse by accident, but I will not be telling you guys or giving you any sneak peeks of what will be in next month's box. If you do prefer that, you know, comment down below and maybe we can sort of alter that for the people that do want to have a little sneak peek. But for now, I like the facts of like receiving almost like a present, almost like a surprise every single month. I'm a sucker for makeup. I'm a sucker for skincare, just anything beauty related. So for me, this box is absolutely ideal. And unfortunately, I do like to swap out products every single month. I love to try new products. So this is going to actually help me cut down on the amount I probably spend on beauty products, because I get to try them for such a small fee every single month. And like I said, this box, those 6 products are actually supposed to be worth a total of £50 or more. And I have heard of quite a few of these brands, so I'm super excited to try these out. If you guys want me to do a video incorporating some of these products into a video, just let me know, and then maybe we could do like, I don't know, a video of me using this mud mask, you know, the serum, we've got the facial mask, we've got the Ico Eco eyeliner, the daily reusable rounds, the hand sanitizer. I could definitely do one video of me testing out all of these products, so let me know if you would like to see that, because I would definitely love to show you guys how they can be used, because you might be a consumer and you're like, okay, these products are great, but how do I use them? So let me know if you would like to see that in the comments down below. So Sorry again that this is quite far on into the month, but you have to understand I was debating and and if I should actually get this box, and I'm so glad that I have. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you are subscribed to GLOSSYBOX, and if you enjoy it. I'm sure there are some type of codes, like discount codes that I can give you guys, but I know this month if you go on their website you can definitely get it for a smaller fee. I mean, we've only got a few days left of this month, but obviously we've got February coming up now, so it's not long before you can get the next box. What next? Yes, I will try and get some discount codes. I'm not sure. I think I do have a refer a friend discount code, so I'm going to try and find out what that is and leave it in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you aren't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you always be notified every time I upload videos, and I'll see you soon, guys.